Hi, I'm Mike, and today I'm going to show you how to repair a break in a drip supply line. Hey, if you're new here, hit the subscribe button so you don't miss anything. So it just so happens a backhoe was doing some work here and severed a supply line for a drip emitter system. That's 1/2-inch black poly, and it only extends over to here, but looks like somebody folded this over and taped it so it wouldn't leak. So we're going to fix this. So the water supply comes off of this side and connects about 5 feet that way, and you can easily tell that because this is the side that's pinched off so the water can't flow through. I could reuse this coupling, there's nothing wrong with it, but I already bought a new one, so why not? So you don't need any glue or anything on this. I just want to cut this pipe squarely and then put this coupling on. And this doesn't have to be perfect because there's a barb inside the fitting that holds it all in place, but I don't want any nasty edges like that. So all you do is you take this 1/2-inch coupling and you push it on to that pipe using a back and forth or a circular motion. It's really not as difficult as this, but this pipe is really thin. Okay, so that side's done. Now, a lot of people will either connect both sides and then run the pipe in between it, or put the pipe in and then run everything to the other side. I like to put the pipe in here so that my measurements are right, and then I'll just stretch it across. So I have a roll of 1/2-inch black poly that I'm going to put in this end to make the connection. Once again, pushing it in, no glue. It already had a straight cut on it. This hose is much thicker than this old one for some reason. So let's go to this other side here, and you can see where I've got a supply of piping, and I've got way too much. That's fine. So now all I'm going to do is cut this other side so that it matches up. Okay, so I've got my length of pipe here. First thing I want to do is cut this other ripped up end squarely so that it'll easily go into my new coupling. By the way, this is all 1/2-inch piping. They also sell it in 3/4 inch, but that would be for a very large landscape. Most of the stuff you run into is 1/2-inch. 1/2-inch coupling, 1/2-inch pipe, and it's a matter of goosing that on to the end. I got it going in about 3/4 inch, and then I take my length of supply piping here, and I'm going to cut it a little bit long. I can always cut it a little bit shorter if necessary. It helps to use a sharp knife too, by the way. Go. And then this just gets connected into there with another push, and that's done. Now that is connected. Now you'll see that this is kind of standing above ground a little bit. This is going to be covered with landscape rock, so I can actually just dig a little trench and bury this and then put landscape rock over it. But that's really all there is to the repair. See you next time.